Welcome to our video on the 15 insanely cool gadgets you need in 2025. Gadgets are innovative, futuristic, and designed to make life easier, smarter, and more fun. The perfect ones combine cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and practical functionality. Whether for work, play, or everyday convenience, these gadgets push the boundaries of what's possible. Stay tuned as we reveal the must-have gadgets for 2025. And don't forget to check the description for links and more details. Let's dive in. OLIGHT IMINI 2 Rechargeable Keychain. The OLIGHT IMINI 2 is a compact and rechargeable keychain flashlight designed for everyday convenience. With a sleek and lightweight build, this mini LED keyring light easily fits in your pocket or attaches to your keys, ensuring you always have a reliable light source at your fingertips. Despite its small size, the OLIGHT IMINI 2 delivers an impressive 50 lumens of brightness, making it perfect for quick illumination in low-light situations. Whether you're searching for something in your car, unlocking your door at night, or handling an unexpected power outage, this flashlight provides the right amount of light when you need it most. It features a built-in rechargeable battery, eliminating the need for disposable batteries and making it a cost-effective and eco-friendly choice. Charging is simple and quick, so you can always keep it ready for use. The magnetic twist activation mechanism allows for effortless operation, adding to its convenience. Ideal for everyday carry, outdoor activities, and emergencies, the OLIGHT IMINI 2 is a must-have accessory for anyone looking for a dependable mini flashlight. At just $19.99, it offers great value for a durable and practical lighting solution that fits right on your keychain. FREETOO Luggage Scale. The FREETOO Luggage Scale is an essential travel companion designed to make your journey stress-free. With its larger LCD display, you can easily read the weight of your luggage even in dim lighting, ensuring effortless use anytime, anywhere. Whether you're packing for a vacation or a business trip, this portable scale helps you avoid unexpected overweight fees at the airport. With a high accuracy measurement capacity of up to 110 pounds, the scale ensures precise readings with a deviation of no more than 0.1 pounds. This allows you to pack with confidence, knowing your baggage stays within airline weight limits. The intelligent settings include a smart tare function and automatic weight lock, making weighing your bags simple and efficient. It also features an energy-saving mode with auto shut-off after 60 seconds, as well as indicators for low battery and overload. Designed for ultimate convenience, the FREETOO luggage scale is compact and lightweight, weighing only 90 grams. It easily fits into your pocket or travel bag, making it perfect for frequent travelers. The durable piano lacquer handle provides a sleek anti-scratch surface that maintains its look over time. Priced at just $12.99, this scale is a must-have for worry-free travel. RAK Magnetic Wristband. The RAK Magnetic Wristband is a game-changer for anyone who loves DIY projects, home improvement, or construction work. Designed to keep screws, nails, bolts, and drill bits within easy reach, this innovative tool makes every task more efficient. With 10 powerful magnets embedded in the wristband, you no longer have to fumble through pockets or search the floor for dropped hardware. Built for versatility, this wristband is perfect for carpentry, auto repair, and general home projects. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing appliances, or working on a car, it provides a convenient way to keep small metal objects securely attached. It can also be strapped to your belt or hung above a workbench, making it even more practical for different tasks. Comfort is key, and this wristband is designed with an adjustable strap and breathable mesh for all-day wear. The durable 1680D ballistic nylon construction ensures long-lasting performance, resisting wear and tear even in tough environments. At just $17.99, this wristband is an ideal gift for dads, husbands, sons, and DIY enthusiasts. Whether for a birthday, Christmas, or Father's Day, it's a must-have tool that adds convenience and efficiency to any toolbox. Auto Face Tracking Tripod. The Auto Face Tracking Tripod is a must-have tool for content creators, live streamers, and video callers. Using advanced artificial intelligence, this smart tracking phone holder automatically recognizes and follows your face or body, ensuring smooth 360-degree rotation as you move. Whether you're recording hands-free videos, hosting a live broadcast, or making video calls, this device keeps you in the frame at all times. With built-in smart gesture control, operating this tripod is effortless. A simple OK gesture starts recording, an open palm pauses it, and a V gesture locks the face tracking. The included Bluetooth remote control adds even more convenience, allowing you to start or stop shooting with just a click. A built-in fill light ensures you always look your best in any lighting condition. Designed for long-lasting use, the 1800 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 6 to 8 hours of continuous tracking on a single charge. There's no need for any apps or Bluetooth connections, just set up your phone and it starts tracking instantly. Compatible with all smartphones and featuring a standard 1/4 inch thread for tripod mounting, this auto-tracking tripod is a versatile and portable solution. At just $35.99, it's an essential gadget for effortless, high-quality video recording. SWEETFULL Portable Neck Fan. Stay cool and comfortable wherever you go with the SWEETFULL Portable Neck Fan. Featuring an upgraded around air outlet and bladeless turbofan blades, this innovative design increases cooling efficiency by 80%, delivering refreshing airflow in just 3 seconds. Unlike traditional fans, it eliminates the risk of hair or beard tangling, ensuring a safe and hassle-free experience. Designed for all-day use, this personal neck fan is equipped with a powerful 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, providing long-lasting cooling from morning to night. 3 adjustable speed settings allow you to customize the breeze to your preference with a simple press of the power button. Whether you're at work, driving, traveling, or enjoying outdoor activities, this fan keeps you refreshed and comfortable. Engineered for convenience, it operates at an ultra-quiet noise level of 30 to 45 decibels, making it ideal for use in quiet environments. Weighing just 8.5 ounces, the lightweight ABS and soft TPE construction ensures a comfortable fit around your neck. The hands-free wearable design resembles a stylish headset, making it a sleek and functional accessory for any occasion. Perfect for outdoor adventures, office use, or summer outings, this versatile neck fan also makes a thoughtful gift. At just $31.99, it's an essential companion for hot days. Laptop Cleaning Kit. Keep your devices spotless with this all-in-one laptop cleaning kit designed for MacBooks, iPads, iPhones, and more. Whether you're dealing with dust, smudges, or fingerprints, this compact cleaner ensures your screens, keyboards, and accessories stay pristine. Its sleek design makes it easy to carry, so you can maintain your devices at home, in the office, or on the go. Equipped with a high-quality brush, it effortlessly removes dust and debris from keyboards, AirPods, and earbuds. The included spray and microfiber cloth work together to wipe away smudges and streaks from your computer screen, PC monitor, or tablet, restoring a crystal clear display. Safe for all surfaces, it provides a thorough yet gentle clean without causing scratches or damage. Designed for convenience, this lightweight and portable kit fits easily into your bag or desk drawer. Whether you're a student, professional, or tech enthusiast, it helps keep your devices in top condition. At just $12.99, it's an essential tool for anyone who values cleanliness and performance. Perfect for everyday use or as a thoughtful gift, this versatile cleaning kit ensures your gadgets always look their best. NIIMBOT Label Maker. Stay organized in style with the NIIMBOT Label Maker, the perfect solution for school, home, or office organization. This Bluetooth label printer offers the convenience of wireless printing, allowing you to easily create custom labels from your phone or tablet. The upgraded D110 version is designed for versatility, letting you print labels for everything from storage bins to files, school supplies, and personal items. Compact and portable, this mini label maker can be taken anywhere for quick labeling tasks, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. It connects seamlessly to your smartphone via Bluetooth, providing easy control through the dedicated app. Whether you're labeling your office folders, spice jars, or kids' school materials, this machine offers clear, precise prints every time. Included with the label maker is one roll of white label, so you can start printing immediately. The high-quality stickers adhere securely to most surfaces, ensuring that your labels last. With a sleek design and user-friendly interface, this label maker is not only functional, but also stylish and convenient. At just $36.99, it's an affordable and efficient tool for improving organization in your daily life. Simplify your tasks and enjoy the neatness of a well-labeled space with the NIIMBOT Label Maker. JMOSTRG Hand Warmers. Stay warm during the coldest days with the JMOSTRG Hand Warmers, a must-have for anyone looking for reliable, long-lasting warmth. This set of 2 electric hand warmers features a powerful 14,000 mAh battery, providing up to 16 hours of continuous heat. Whether you're battling chilly outdoor temperatures or simply need some extra comfort, these hand warmers are designed to keep you warm and cozy. With dual-sided heating, you can enjoy warmth from both sides, and the maximum temperature of 131 degrees Fahrenheit ensures a satisfying heat that lasts. Choose from 4 heating levels to customize the warmth to your preference, making them ideal for various activities such as hunting, golfing, camping, or just keeping your hands toasty during winter errands. The compact design makes it easy to slip the hand warmers into your pockets, offering on-the-go warmth when you need it most. They're especially helpful for those with Raynaud's disease or anyone who spends time outdoors in cold weather. At just $39.99, this 2-pack of electric hand warmers offers excellent value, ensuring you stay comfortable no matter where life takes you. Keep the chill at bay and experience warmth that lasts with JMOSTRG hand warmers. Fanttik E1. The Fanttik E1 mini electric screwdriver is a game changer for anyone who works with electronics or small appliances. This precision screwdriver set comes with 50 magnetic bits, allowing you to tackle a wide variety of tasks, from repairing phones and cameras to laptops and watches. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the Fanttik E1 makes it easy to handle delicate screws with precision and ease. The 530 hex design ensures a secure fit for all your bits, preventing any slips during use. The electric screwdriver is lightweight and compact, making it perfect for tight spaces and portable work. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable handling during extended use, while the powerful motor delivers efficient torque to get the job done faster. One of the standout features of the Fanttik E1 is the magnetic storage that keeps your bits organized and easily accessible, reducing the chances of losing them during a project. At just $79.97, this electric screwdriver set offers exceptional value for anyone who needs a reliable and precise tool for electronics repair or assembly. The Fanttik E1 ensures that every project, big or small, is completed with the utmost accuracy and convenience. HUOTO Portable Charger. The HUOTO Portable Charger is the perfect solution for keeping your Apple Watch charged while on the go. This wireless magnetic iWatch charger boasts a 1200 mAh power bank, ensuring your smartwatch remains powered up throughout the day. Whether you're traveling at work or out for a quick adventure, this compact charger provides the convenience of on-the-go charging without the hassle of tangled wires. Designed with portability in mind, the HUOTO charger doubles as a keychain accessory, making it easy to attach to your bag, purse, or backpack. This travel-friendly design means you can keep your Apple Watch powered up wherever life takes you. Its magnetic charging system ensures a secure fit, so you never have to worry about your device slipping or disconnecting. Compatible with all Apple Watch series, this charger offers fast and reliable charging that's perfect for busy users who need a quick power boost. Its sleek, minimalistic design fits seamlessly with your daily routine, and the 1200 mAh capacity is ideal for multiple chargers. At just $25.99, the HUOTO Portable Charger is an affordable and practical accessory for any Apple Watch owner. Stay connected, stay charged, and never worry about your smartwatch running out of battery again. Bobtot Bluetooth Speakers. The Bobtot Bluetooth speaker is the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures, offering a powerful sound experience in a compact and portable design. Despite its mini size, this wireless speaker delivers 10 watts peak loud stereo sound, ensuring clear, crisp audio wherever you go. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just hanging out by the pool, the Bobtot speaker brings your favorite music to life. Designed with durability in mind, the Bobtot Bluetooth speaker is IPX7 waterproof, meaning it can withstand immersion in water for up to 30 minutes. Take it to the beach, poolside, or any rainy day without worrying about damage. With an impressive 16 hours of playtime on a single charge, you can enjoy continuous music throughout the day. The built-in mic allows for hands-free calling, making it easy to take calls on the go. The true wireless stereo feature lets you connect 2 speakers together for a surround sound experience, perfect for larger gatherings or outdoor events. With its mini size and carry lanyard, this speaker is highly portable and easy to take anywhere. For just $24.99, the Bobtot Bluetooth speaker offers unbeatable value, delivering high-quality sound and rugged durability in one sleek package. FVZ Massage Gun. The FVZ Massage Gun is designed to provide targeted relief and accelerate muscle recovery with unmatched comfort and ease. Featuring an ergonomic 120 degrees curved design and an easy-to-grip handle extension, this deep tissue massage gun seamlessly contours to your body's natural curves, allowing you to comfortably reach difficult areas like your back, neck, shoulders, and legs without assistance. Powered by a brushless motor, this massage gun offers long-lasting performance with up to 200 hours of use. It also operates with ultra-quiet technology, ensuring you can enjoy a relaxing massage at less than 45 decibels. perfect for multitasking while watching TV or taking calls. The FVZ Massage Gun includes 4 interchangeable heads and 5 speed levels ranging from 1000 to 2600 revolutions per minute, so you can customize your experience and target specific areas of tension for effective pain relief. Whether you're recovering from sports injuries or simply want to relieve stress, this versatile tool has you covered. Weighing only 1.1 pounds and featuring a lightweight portable design, the FVZ Massage Gun is easy to take with you wherever you go. With a quick 90-minute recharge via USB Type-C, you'll enjoy up to 15 days of use on a single charge. At just $59.99, this massage gun offers professional quality therapy at home, in the gym, or at the office. FEPPO Food Warming Mat. The FEPPO Food Warming Mat is the perfect solution for keeping your food warm at any event. Featuring high-tech graphene heating, this advanced warming mat provides fast and consistent heat across the entire surface, ensuring that your dishes stay perfectly warm from start to finish. With 6 adjustable temperature settings, you can easily customize the heat to meet your specific needs, whether you're serving appetizers or keeping entrees at the perfect serving temperature. The 6-hour timer allows you to set it and forget it, providing you with peace of mind as you focus on other tasks. Ideal for parties, buffets, or family gatherings, the FEPPO Food Warming Mat rolls up easily for compact storage and is portable enough to take to any event. Whether you're hosting a holiday dinner, a barbecue, or a buffet-style brunch, this food warmer will ensure your food remains fresh and ready to enjoy. Priced at $89.99, the FEPPO Food Warming Mat is a smart and practical investment for anyone who loves hosting or enjoys meals that stay hot for longer. Make sure your guests enjoy warm, delicious food every time with this sleek and efficient food warming solution. Divoom Times Gate. Transform your gaming space or office with the Divoom Times Gate, a cutting-edge cyberpunk-inspired digital clock that blends style with technology. Designed with a vibrant RGB LED display, this clock brings a burst of color and energy to any room, creating a dynamic atmosphere perfect for gaming or working. With smart app control, the Divoom Times Gate offers seamless Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to customize the clock's settings right from your smartphone. The personalized dashboard lets you adjust everything from the clock's display to its unique pixel art designs, adding a touch of your personality to the decor. You can even create your own pixel art animations to match your style and mood, perfect for gaming rooms, offices, or even creative spaces. The Divoom Times Gate serves not only as a functional clock, but also as a stunning piece of decor. Its retro pixel art adds an artistic vibe, while the RGB lights can set the mood for gaming sessions or casual hangouts. At $99.99, the Divoom Times Gate offers a stylish, customizable, and practical way to upgrade your space. Whether you're a gamer or a digital art enthusiast, this clock is a must-have accessory for anyone looking to elevate their setup. ONXE LED USB Clock Fan. Stay cool and keep track of time with the ONXE LED USB Clock Fan, a unique and functional addition to your desktop or laptop setup. Featuring PVC soft fan blades, this fan is safe to use and perfect for any environment. The fan's gooseneck is designed for flexibility, allowing you to adjust it easily to your preferred position, so you can direct the cool breeze exactly where you need it. Whether you're working, gaming, or relaxing, this fan will keep you comfortable while providing the convenience of a clock display. Ideal for use with desktops and laptops, the ONXE LED USB clock fan simply plugs into any USB port without the need for additional drivers. The fan's innovative design not only offers a refreshing breeze, but also displays the time with its LED clock face. The bright, clear digits make it easy to check the time while staying cool, even in low light conditions. At just $18.99, the ONXE LED USB clock fan is a practical and stylish addition to any workspace. It's perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of functionality and convenience to their daily routine, combining the best of a cooling fan and a timekeeping device in one compact design. Thanks for watching our roundup of the 15 insanely cool gadgets you need in 2025. We hope you found some awesome tech to add to your collection. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews and tech recommendations. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest in the world of tech. Stay tuned for more and keep your gadgets cool. See you in the next video.